If you are among those men that cannot call your beautiful wife and say, "Mommy, please, this particular food I want to eat today," or "Babe, cook this particular food though. This is what I'm craving for." My brother, my sister, you're not doing it the right way. Let me just leave that aside. As a woman, your husband know they do this thing while I talk now. Hey, my dear, you are far away because you'll be thinking of what to cook every blessed day. At least not even every day that they're supposed to remind you that this is what I'm craving for, right? At least twice or 3 times in a week will do. Imagine your man calling you now, say, "Babe, I need to taste that egusi soup you made the other time. Help me to cook it, and I would want this particular swallow for it, or make this particular rice," or you feel relieved. You just go straight to the point and start cooking, right? But you see this generation of me. My husband will tell you, cook whatever you like, cook whatever comes to your mind. Sometimes I'll be thinking of what to cook from morning till evening, until market people will start closing. I'll just decide that, oh yeah, let's make this or that. Anyway, that's by the way. I made this particular soup out of love, and this soup I'll be using it for Sunday. Not every Sunday is rice. I made this soup to be very much so that it will contain last night Saturday and today being Sunday, and if it remains tomorrow I'll also eat it. This soup came out so nice. I used cow meat and my roasted catfish for this particular soup. So this is me trying to make my Igbo eba. When you're making your eba, don't just start turning immediately. After putting in the garri inside the hot water, you cover it for some minutes. So we open it, it will soak the water and to be so fluffy, right? So this is me after turning it. My brothers, it's time to serve the food. Come with your own swallow. If you don't like garri, you can bring any swallow of your choice. Thank you for watching this video to this extent. I love you so much. Make sure you follow, share and comment. Let me allow you to watch the remaining one.
Time she deserve all the good will I go bring. Nigga move on like a day rain now winning ring. When I got a cook, she dey clean, she dey Bible. Soft life steady, she know I do. Every move where she make it, they shine. When I got a 5-star queen with a guide. Every day na cruise, every day na flex. No wahala, no stress, she dey live her best. From the pot to the chop, she dey make and step. Now real woman vibe, so she no fake. Every day na cruise, every day na flex. No wahala, no stress, she dey live her best. From the pot to the chop, she dey make and step. Now real woman vibe, so she no fake. One make a tea.